Corn needs space, water, and nutrients to grow strong. Weeds want those things too. Weeds are a big problem for Colorado corn farmers. They steal resources from corn plants. This means less corn for us to harvest. Weeds make it harder to grow healthy corn. Some weeds can be home to pests and diseases. These pests and diseases can spread to corn and cause damage. Controlling weeds is important for a successful corn harvest. Using herbicides is one way to control weeds in cornfields. Herbicides are chemicals that kill weeds. There are two main types of herbicides: pre-emergence and post-emergence. Choosing the right herbicide is important for effective weed control. This helps farmers grow healthy corn and get a good yield. Pre-emergence herbicides are applied to the soil before corn is planted. They create a barrier in the soil that stops weeds from growing. Think of it like putting down a weed-proof blanket. These herbicides target weed seeds as they germinate. They prevent the weeds from emerging from the soil. This gives corn a head start in growth. Some common pre-emergence herbicides for corn in northern Colorado include atrazine, acetochlor, and S-metolachlor. They are effective against a wide range of weeds. Pre-emergence herbicides work best when applied to moist soil. It's important to follow the instructions on the herbicide label. This ensures proper application and minimizes any potential risks. Post-emergence herbicides are used after corn and weeds have already emerged from the soil. They target weeds that are actively growing. These herbicides are absorbed by the leaves and stems of weeds. They then travel through the plant and disrupt its growth processes. This eventually kills the weed. Post-emergence herbicides can be selective or non-selective. Selective herbicides only kill certain types of weeds, while non-selective herbicides kill most plants they come into contact with. Glyphosate is a common non-selective post-emergence herbicide. It is effective against a wide range of weeds. 2,4-D, and dicamba are examples of selective post-emergence herbicides commonly used in corn. The best way to control weeds in cornfields is to use a combination of methods. This is called Integrated Weed Management, or IWM. IWM combines pre-emergence and post-emergence herbicides with other weed control methods. Other methods include crop rotation, cover crops, and mechanical weed control. Crop rotation is the practice of growing different crops in the same field each year. This helps to break up weed cycles. Cover crops are planted after harvest to cover the soil. They help to suppress weeds and improve soil health. Mechanical weed control involves using tools to remove weeds. Examples include cultivating, hand weeding, and mowing. By using a combination of methods, farmers can effectively control weeds and minimize the risks associated with relying on herbicides alone. Remember to consult with local agricultural extension agents or crop advisors for specific recommendations tailored to your region. Subscribe now and hit like for more tips on effective weed management.